Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to log in to RBC online banking quickly and easily. Whether you're a long-time user or just setting up your account for 2025, this guide will have you accessing your finances in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're on a secure device and have a stable internet connection. Head over to the official RBC website by typing www.rbcroyalbank.com into your browser's address bar. Avoid any third-party sites to keep your information safe. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually right at the top of the page, maybe in a prominent green or blue color. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the login screen. Now, enter your username. This is the one you set up when you first registered for online banking. If you can't remember it, there's often a Forgot Username link below the fields. Click that and follow the prompts. Next, type in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check as you go. For added security, RBC might prompt you for two-factor authentication. This could be a code sent to your phone via text or an app like RBC Mobile. Enter that code promptly to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your accounts, transactions, and options to pay bills or transfer money. It's that straightforward. A quick tip: always log out after you're done, especially on shared devices, to protect your data. And if you run into any issues, check the RBC help section or contact their support. They're usually very responsive. There you have it, folks. Logging into RBC online banking is easier than ever in 2025. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech and finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.